Hello, welcome to my channel. Try it. So, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel to get informative notifications.
Rupiang dalde anak simangna mengsa takcakani ko video abainga yan advance GK ngiyamo yakon frequently mo jekon chimo de tulsian tien nagtan nige competitive exam rango mo Meghalaya police recruitment exam rango ba competitive exams JK1 DSC MPSC takabarango sokrong ingana ya may baramo yakon swimming na simangna share kat na sky hamo haida sabrang din king nok deba sabrang din kujengen kujak parang de ni mungna kopi rang ba karak naman gen mo yani ko ni mungna force ka eka mungna nasong serang ba karak naman gen daw je mangan Meghalaya police na running rang practice ka ismo nasong running mak ko practice ka ode ong jawa mo running baksa nasong porani ko practice ka nanan gen running mak ko pas ka muna de ong naman jawa mande ang ramay yaknya running ko de takple practice ka nga deba changsa ba porani dongjeng uni aselon anteng achkrang de written rangon pelong daming mo uni guman running baksa porani ko ba antam berkedan practice kanak tanang ane uni gemensang ayo video ko rabai nga ya takcak somot ken yong za aru yan sok telegen ni yong za deba yan uni haida mengsa menggeni sokken cimo ba baitan takcakan yong gen mo uni gemen nasong ya ko nyangbo aro ko pirang karak naman gen nasong katsensen mai ba emengna post ka eka emengna nasong lekharang ko share na kataman gen yarangan angare porai tam ko porai ken tam ko porai chone yan what is the most common element in the universe yarangan mo ya explain ba kayo on jolinga hay de ya bye bye question sok sagin mo ba ndege percentage rang sok na ba donga pa yan ge 3/4 nakirang sok na ba donga dingtang tang nakirang sok na ba donga ne bye bye de sok na ba donga yan question on nakta de unigaman singi forest kana nang yan tang na singi mo which of the following planet is farthest from the sun yan nakpa type ni question sok mo ne mo ya topic ni kam sok mo ne haida basa ko farthest ni sok na ba donga there is nearest ni sok kana ba donga mo nakirang sokken ultang bultang nakki sokken ya planet ni bidungo sokongone uni gemen singi pares kabu mo yarangan nage explain ba kayo onjolinga does a light year measure yarang hon yang mo nakamna de central controller of the body is brain yarang basok kaya mo nakparang ni ba akana manja banu ni sokpa jamano sok choko sa nawang nakaya mo yarang hon asong tang purai ni yang bo yarangan boni jaundice is an infectious disease which spreads through water. Telephone, it was invented by. Any answer there? Yan ang unok mo. Telephone invented ka obra A.G. Bell or Graham Bell. Wright brothers are inventor of aeroplane. Which planet is closest to the sun? Mercury. The most poisonous plant is castor bean plant. Scientists who study the weather are known as meteorologists. Which of the following birds cannot fly? The answer of 1. Emu ba manja, rias ba manja, ostrich ba manja mo. All of these ong ha. Who developed the first vaccines? Vaccines ko sa bachingan na Edward Jenner. Who invented sewing machines? Elias Howe. Who invented the fountain pen? Louis Waterman. Who invented the leaf? E.G. Otis. Ini zaman deh quiz from NCERT books ni quiz na ide. Nakamna de one general science MCQ. Which of the following is the first calculating device na? Abacus. Who invented mechanical calculator called Pascaline? Number B de Alan Turing. Who among the following is considered as the father of artificial intelligence? Ni answer ang jok Lee D. Forrest mo. Who among the following used the term computer worm for the first time? John Brunner. Which was first virus detected on ARPANET, the forerunner of the interest in the early 1970s. Number B, Creeper virus mo. Creeper virus ni siya, no? Creeper virus. Number B sana mo. Find out the correct definitions of wide area network 1. Ini correct definitions ko, ni bo. No answer nga. Answer number C ni mo. Next, last page. Oh. Select the examples of application software or computer, MS Excel. Which of the following is also called translator? Ni answer jok language processor. How the quality of printer is measured? Ni answer jok dot per inch mo. Ni jamalora general science ni mo. Autonomy is a branch of science which the ni answer de which is mo. Oncology is the study of cancer. Numismatics is the studies of coins. Eugenics is the study of altering human beings by changing their genetic components. Ornithology is the study of birds. The energy of food is measured in number A, calories. The name of instrument. Name the instrument that is used to measure relative humidity. Ini answer wrong joke. Hygrometer mo. Name an instrument which is used to measure density of milk. Lactometer. Name an instrument used to measure electric resistance. Ohmmeter. General science MCQ questions and answer. Name an instrument to measure intensity of earthquake. Richter scale. Photometer is used to measure ocean depth. Coronagraph is used for. Ini answer again number D mo. So tentang kasne ni mengna kopi kat tokai bane. Angale meng proper proyek na manjing ha. What do you understand by aerodynamics? The answer, it is a science of movement in a flow of air or gas. What is bryology? Bryology ni maksudnya study of mosses and liverworts. Chorology is the study of number A, hands. Entomology is the study of parasites that live inside larger organisms. Study of increasing the habitability of the earth is termed as geotechnics. Thalassography is the science of C. Science ni ko rin nakpli pronounce ka na ning plamo antang po science background ni yung jani ya silon pronounce ka na naman jeng ni pronounce wrong mistake ni chmo ba na song masisak kem na ni to kai ba na tang ne. What is the meaning of term topology? Topology na it is the study of places and natural features mo. Ya ba general science ni daw tungtek pa buwan mo ball pen is invented by ball pen ko so invented ka na Lazo Biro na ko na mo. Logarithm tables were invented ka na John Napier mo. Who invented zero? Yan Indians mo. Number C, Indians. India sa zero who invented ka change number. Aeroplane was invented by Wright brothers mo. Blaise Pascal is associated with calculator mo. Who discovered that plants have life? The telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. The velocity of light was first measured by Romer. Doctor thermometer was invented by Fahrenheit, who had discovered oxygen, and Presley. The theory of relativity was propounded by Albert Einstein. The principal metal used in manufacturing steel is iron. An altimeter is used for measuring altitude. Oology is the study of birds. X. Radioactivity was discovered by Henry Becquerel. The metal used in storage batteries is lead. The instrument used to measure the relative humidity of air is hygrometer. Barometer was invented by Torricelli. The unit of power is watt. Radium was discovered by Marie and Pierre Curie. The existence of isotopes was discovered by Frederick Soddy. Dynamo was invented by Michael Faraday. The nuclear reactor was invented by Enrico Fermi. The law of gravitation was propounded by Sir Isaac Newton. Cresograph was invented by J.C. Bose. Cresograph is used to measure the rate of growth of a plant. Galileo's first scientific discovery was pendulum. Microscope was invented by Anton van Leeuwenhoek. The scientist who is known as father of modern biology is Aristotle. The first person to see a cell under microscope was Robert Hooke. The smallest flowering plant is Warfia. 4 blood groups were discovered by Carl Landsteiner. Sodium was discovered by Sir Humphrey Davy. The atomic number of oxygens is 8. The basic building blocks of proteins are amino acids. The botanical name of the cotton plant is Gossypium hirsutum. The electroscope is used to detect charges on a body. The unit of loudness is phone. An ammeter is used to measure electric current. Plants that eat insects are called insectivorous plants. Fruits that are formed without fertilizations are called parthenocarpic. Plants that flower only once in their lifetime are called monocarpic. The botanical name for rice is Oryza sativa. Penicillin is obtained from mold. The largest tree in the world is Seguo. Gamatan sang pujahane. Gamatay bisokan tang. Herpetology is study of reptiles. Entomology is the study of insects. Ornithology is the study of birds. Ako gamatan sang cocok. Is may kinang gaman flomo. Fishes ko study kakba. Natural animals study kakba. Oestology is the study of bones. The botanical name for brinjal is Solanum melongenal. The botanical name for onion is Allium cepa. The study of sound is called acoustics. The study of heavenly bodies is astronomy. The study of tissue is called histology. Electric lamp was invented by Thomas Alva Edison. The fear of crowd is called ochlophobia niyang kon mo. The fear of books is called bibliophobia. The fear of going to bed is called clinophobia. The symbol of gold is AU. General science answer to Nemo. The symbol of sodium is Na. The symbol of Sr stand for strontium. The symbol of Rb stand for rubidium. The symbol of Md stands for mendelebium. Calcium sulfate is commonly called plaster of Paris. Sodium carbonate is commonly called washing soda. Sodium chloride is commonly known as common salt. The chemical name of chloroform is trichloromethane. The chemical name of baking powder is sodium bicarbonate. The chemical name of bleaching powder is calcium hypochlorite. The formula HCl stand for hydrochloric acid. The formula H2SO4 stand for sulfuric acid. The formula CHCI 3 stand for trichloromethane. The formula H2O2 stand for hydrogen peroxide. A fungus which can only survive on their living organism is called obligate parasites. A plant which lives in the dirt is called scotophyte. A plant adapted to live in dry places is called a xerophyte. A plant adapted for growth in water is called a hydrophyte. Bifocal lens was invented by Benjamin Franklin. Cement was invented by Joseph Astin. Laser was invented by Dr. Charles H. Townes. Electromagnet was invented by William Sturgeon. Rayon was invented by Sir Joseph Swan. Thermostat is an instrument used for regulating constant temperature. The science of organic forms and structure is known as morphology. Psychology is the study of algae. Psychology Hycology. Tata Institute of Fundamental Research was established in 1945. CSIR stand for Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. ISRO stand for Indian Space Research Organizations. The first human being to land on moon was Neil Armstrong. The first Indian in space was Rakesh Sharma. ISSC stand for ISRO Satellite Center. VSSC stand for Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. The headquarters of ISRO is located at Bangalore. VSSC is located at Thiruvananthapuram. ISSC
NSC is located at Bangalore. National Science Center is located at New Delhi.
Central Tobacco Research Institute is located at Rajamundry. Indian Institute of Horticulture Research is located at Bangalore. The Atomic Energy Commission was set up in August 1948. The first Indian satellite was Aryabhatta. The first Indian satellite was launched in the year 1975. ASLV stand for Augmented Satellite Launch Vehicle. INSAT stand for Indian National Satellite. Steam engine was invented by James Watt. The botanical name of tea is Camellia sinensis. Logarithms were devised by John Napier. General science niyan yaba dongkemo. The acid is used in a car battery is sulfuric acid. The system of writing by blind people was invented by Louis Braille. The parachute was used for the first time by J.P. Blanchard. The German physicist for who first demonstrated the existence of radio waves was Heinrich Hertz. The instrument that records the intensity of earthquake is seismograph. The law of floating bodies was discovered by Archimedes. The density of milk is measured by a lactometer. Matam hore gamatna changjene na so tang thangba gamate muna jirak ke ba mana sanang mo yak makan matam ne important ngane banu da haire bani barang sukna ba donga kana manjamo. Fountain pen was invented by L.E. Waterman. The instrument used to measure the pressure of gases is manometer. Bhaskara I was a famous astronomer. The first atomic power stations established in India was the Therefore, atomic power stations. The role of heredity was demonstrated by Mendel. The instrument used to measure the concentrations of salt water is salinometer. Spectroscopy is the study of Anders John Angstrom. Dactylography is the study of fingerprints. A tangent galvanometer is used to study the strength of direct current. The fruit of oak is called akron. Zeta stands for Zero Energy Thermonuclear Assembly. The formula C6H5OH stands for phenol. Michael Faraday worked as an assistant under another scientist whose name was Sir Humphrey Davy. Vulcanized rubber was invented by Charles Goodyear. The symbol Zn stands for zinc. The symbol He stands for helium. Celluloid was invented by A. Parker. Glider was invented by Sir George Kelly. Safety matches was invented by J.E. Lundstrom. Radio valve was invented by Sir J.A. Fleming. Space Application Center is located at Ahmedabad. Atomic Energy Commission is located at Mumbai. Dynamic is the study of movements of bodies. Statics is the study of forces acting on bodies at rest. Mechanics is the study of force acting on bodies. Zoology is the study of animal life. Botany is the study of plant life. Psychology is the study of human mind. The first American to orbit Earth was John H. Glenn. The electrocardiograph was invented by William Intoben. The molecular formula of cane sugar is C12H22O11. A compound which contains only hydrogens and carbon is called hydrocarbon. The liquid used to preserve specimens of plants and animals is formalin. The law of segregation was propounded by Mendel. Our horoscope is used to detect ear disorders. The three states of matter are solid, liquid, and gaseous. The scientific name for blood platelets is thrombocytes. The response of a plant to heat is called thermotropism. The response of a plant to touch is called trigonotropism. The symbol of Zeta stands for zirconium. Nickel was discovered by Cronslett. Manganese was discovered by Gahn. The common name for potassium carbonate is potash. Science ragbarang din takli nalfi managen porai nagata. Niba pun stream rangon din takli dingane porai nemo. Bismuth was discovered by Palentine. Biggest plant seed is cocodemur. Toxicology is the study of poisons.
Virology is the study of viruses. Paleontology is the study of fossils. Calorimeter is used to measure quantity of heat. Chronometer was invented by John Harrison. Stethoscope was invented by William Stokes. Spinning frame was invented by Sir Richard Arkwright. AI stand for aluminium. GD stand for gadolinium. IR stand for iridium. BI stand for bismuth. The chemical formula of sodium bicarbonate is NaHCO3. The chemical formula of common salt is NaCl. The chemical formula of washing soda is Na2CO3. IOH2O. The chemical formula of lime soda is CaCO3. The chemical formula of chloroform is CHCl3. The study of grasses is known as agrostology. The study of antiquities is known as archaeology. The study of durations of life is known as chronobiology. The study of bacteria is known as bacteriology. Nylon was invented by Dr. Wallace H. Carothers. Electric razor was invented by Jacob Sick. The symbol of silver is Ag. The symbol of silicon is Si. The symbol of titanium is Ti. Calcium oxide is commonly known as quicklime. Deviations of light passing from one medium to another is known as refractions. And apparatus for generations of atomic energy called a reactor. And machines used for converting mechanical energy into electrical energy is called a generator. And the first Indian woman in space was Kalpana Chawla. The revolver was invented by Samuel Colt. The refrigerator was invented by J. Perkins. Naging nasong yang ni da J kon meso kata nasong tantang masih cakem na private pronunciation rang matam dang ni kamat narang ujamo. Abo kamat narang changjang abo science background ni ungdai na nakle expert ung changat kamat narang mo. Uni muna so tantang masih cakem private. Hai de yanuni chugumuk te sokken ya kana man jandiba daw nang ni mung sotponga mung sotok purai daw ni mung gethamrang sokken ode mainam gizani mo mung sotponga sotok purai dani aro nakpli gumuk memory khanara nang jenga ode yan multiple choice ongani kuban answer ko giskra aisan dongna ta na mo yan ansini competitive exam rang JK daw Meghalaya police na jemangan mai bainga aro yan SSC rang na bong aigen mo undigim na MPSC SSC UPSC rang na jemangan mai bainga warang na bo chulia gini demo gemuk nan chulia inuni sokai gen maksam gini nakirang sokai gen mo sokken dia kana man jandiba bako sokken ni jarang akan sunade manjabo mo diba chap antang important ong inka ko porai suesa important okla ko porai suesa matninga mo uni kemen jemangan Meghalaya police rang na daw antang ko thai sueng sem na song yang ko porai bo mo running mamang ko da kai giza porai ni ko ba daonin ranta ka subo mo uni kemen sang ya ko thai tinga aro anga manong ode daw general knowledge rang ni Meghalaya history aro reasoning aptitude aro English yarang ko na sunanga maiki porai na nga aro mainang ko porai na nga na sunanga manode video thai mo